So, what I'm trying now, as you have seen, this notebook on the left side is working fine. So, I will take out the RAM from this and the keyboard from this and will install it on this notebook, which don't go on. So then you can figure out if this notebook is not starting because of an issue on the keyboard or on the RAM module. And also I will change the BIOS batteries. So I will take this BIOS battery and I will install it on this laptop, so we can get sure it's not because of the BIOS battery, it's not because of the keyboard, and it's not because of the RAM module. What you can also do is to exchange the battery, but this is not necessary because this model starts also without the battery, so we can be to 99% sure that this should be also start without the battery. Okay, let's get started.